Jessie here. So today I'm actually filming with a brand new camera. I can see myself, like it's like a flippy screen, so it's pretty exciting. Since I just got this brand new camera, I decided that excuse me. Can you please sit? Can you please sit? Can you please sit? Anyways, I decided that it was a really good time to then show you guys all of the filming equipment that I use. The 32,000. I cannot believe the nerve on this dog. The dog city, if you will. So this is a Nikon D32,000. This is a camera that I used to use, or will be using once I get a microphone. She's really good quality, except that I could never properly focus it, and that's because its autofocus like makes a clicking noise, and if you don't have a mic you can hear it in the video. So I'm going to get a mic for this eventually so I can be able to use it again a lot easier. What I used to do is I used to set something up where I was going to be standing and put its autofocus on, and once it got it, I would switch it to manual so that it stayed like that. So if I moved too much or if my calculations were wrong, then it would be out of focus. I can't flip the screen, so I never really could see if I was in focus or not. So that is the only reason that the videos that I film with this camera look a little wonky. She's really good. I'm very happy to have it. I actually got it for a birthday present. The lens that I use here, I think it's the one that it came with. It's yeah, I don't know what kind of lens this is. If I'm honest with you. This is what the footage looks like when it's actually in focus. Accessories that I actually have for that one is I have this extra lens. It's a wide angle lens. My mom actually got it in like a money saving bundle thing where the price of the camera is actually a little bit lower, and it brings in a bunch of other things like extra lenses or like a cleaning kit. This belongs to a tripod somewhere and it doesn't look like the tripod. Oh my god, is this for the tripod that I'm using? Where's my phone? Actually, I'll use this as a freaking... Where's the memory card, everybody? Where's the memory card? It's okay. It's probably still attached to the adapter that I need in order to edit with my laptop, so it's okay. This is going to kill me. This is going to kill me! Guys, I do not have my life in order. Aha! I found her! I found her. Okay. This is the current contraption that I have. Oh my god, is this for the tripod that I'm using? It's currently tying the tripod together so that it doesn't fall apart and the camera doesn't fall forward. And now we're moving on to my second camera. This is the Hero 3 GoPro. I don't think it was my birthday, but I got it as a gift. I don't really use this camera a lot, and the sole purpose that I got it and the reason why I don't use it a lot is so that I can film underwater. I used to do a lot of mermaid-esque videos, so this was actually pretty perfect. The only thing that I didn't love about it was that it's like fish-eyed. I know there's some sort of way to fix it, but I don't really know how, so I never fixed it. It still looks good. Here is some clips that are from the GoPro. To take out the casing right now, and this is how big she is. Oh, the memory card is still in there. It also came with this little remote thingy. Now, I'm not sure the remote is waterproof. I never actually used it, because what I would do is I would just press the record button, set it down, and do whatever it is I'm gonna do. So I've never actually used this before. Oh good, now I have to find the charger. So these cameras have a very specific job. Like, for example, this is for underwater and like crazy things where it needs to be protected. It's kind of more like still shots. I was able to get this camera right now that I am filming with, and I'll show you that right now through the lens of the Nikon. And this is the Canon G7X, which is the one I have. It is the Mark II. This one's going to be used more for outdoor trips and things that I would want a smaller camera for. I literally got this camera today. This is the first video that I shoot with it. The reason that I got it though is because it's able to film in low light. It is smaller than the main camera, but also bigger than the GoPro and not fisheye, so I can take it out on vlogs if I'm going to Disney World or if I'm going on a trip. I don't really want to carry the Nikon, which I have, and I carried it in this case, which is gigantic. Since I had to manually focus all of my things because I didn't have the mic, it was also harder to do on the go. So I decided that I would get a camera since I will be traveling a lot as a military spouse. Because for all of that, I used my phone. And also, if I'm feeling lazy, I can also use this camera since it's smaller and a lot less work. And I've been doing that for a while now. I was really lazy to set my Nikon up. With the package that I got the camera, I also got this tripod right here. It came in with it. I have used it and it's pretty good, and it's also pretty cool that you can bend it. And it also came with this little case. And so speaking about filming on my phone, I actually have a little tripod that's really similar to this one, but for my phone that like bends around, and it's actually the thing you saw tied up to the tripod, keeping it steady. Ooh. Just a quick disclaimer, you do not need any of these things to start a YouTube channel. The reason why I have all these things is that I've actually been doing YouTube since 2013, so I've worked my way up from an iPhone 4. How I actually started my YouTube was with my iPhone 4, and I even edited all of my videos on that phone. And I would sit there in my little iPhone 4 camera and I would cut the pieces together, and it was a lot of work. But if you only have your phone and you really want to start a YouTube channel, I mean, that worked out pretty good for a really long time. I might film a video later on about like how I edit, or like a fast-paced video of me actually editing a video. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what I used. After a while, I was able to have my brother's old MacBook Pro, and when I mean old, it came out I think in 2009. I looked for it like recently, and literally in November of this year, and it's February now, I was able to get a MacBook Air. Basically from the moment I started my YouTube channel to like last week, I was using iMovie. When you get a Mac, it's actually free, like it's already pre-installed. I literally just got Final Cut Pro. So thank you for watching, and I wish you the best luck if you are wanting to start a YouTube channel, or if you're just curious. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next time I post a video. Bye!